Hi everybody, today we need to evaluate summation of sine to the power 6k from 1 degrees to 89 degrees. And this is the more expressed form of this all summation. So first you please give your trial to this question and keep watching for the solution. Now this is our given information which we need to evaluate. Now using the identity sine 90 degrees minus x is equals to cosine of x. Now we have this thing given. Now all the terms write on the sine to the power 645 degrees. We convert them into cosine by using our identity like this. Now we make the pair of common degree terms of sine and cosine like this and this. Now we have only one term left, which is sine to the power 645 degrees, because we don't have any cosine to the power 6 of 45 degrees. So after making the pair, we write this term on the right side. So we have this term. We know that sine to the power 645 degrees is equals to 1 by 8. So we can write this. Now for these terms, to evaluate them, we are using our identity, which is sine square x plus cosine square x is equals to 1. Now cubing both sides of that and using a plus b whole cube, which is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. Now substituting the values, so we have this. Now using our identity for substituting these values, so finally we have this. So finally we have 1 minus 3 sine square x cosine square x is equals to sine to the power 6x plus cosine to the power 6x. Now we use this value for substituting our all values of. Now this is our series and this is what we find. So substituting all the values, so finally we have this. Now these are 44 pair terms. So there are 44 1. So we have this. Now using identity, sine 2x is equals to 2 times sine of x times cosine of x. So converting these all terms by using this identity. So finally we have this. Now we have 45 pair terms. We have to remember that. So after converting them, finally we have this. Now all the terms right from sine square 44 degrees, we convert them into cosine like that. Now make the pair of cosine with sine terms of same degrees like this and this. So finally we have this. Now these are 22 pair terms. So we have 22 times 1. So by using our this identity, we can say these all are 1. So we have 22 1. So finally we have 353 divided by 8 plus 3 times 22 divided by 4, which is equals to 397 divided by 8, and that is our correct answer. Now it's time for the reading of the problem. So for creativity, I want to give this problem 4 points out of 10, and for mathematical thinking, I want to give this problem 4 points out of 10, and for focus needed, I want to give this problem 3 points out of 10. So the average hardness of this problem is 3.6. And yeah, that's a good problem for practicing series problems.